Afi.
Hi, Zozo. What's up?
I was wondering if you knew anything about genes. I heard it has something to do with how my brother and I don't look exactly the same, but I don't understand how.
Oh, yes, it does. Genes are very important for making differences and similarities between you and all of your brothers and sisters. Let me explain how. Almost every cell in your body has something called DNA. DNA is a long strand of instructions that tells each cell in your body what it is supposed to do, such as growing, dividing, and most importantly, how to function.
Oh, it looks kind of like a twisty ladder.
Yeah, it does. Certain parts of DNA, called genes, are needed for the body to function as best as it can. Your genes tell your body how to grow, what to look like, and how to do the work that keeps you alive, from digesting your lunch to sweating when you're hot and everything else you do. Your genes are what make you special and different from everyone else. Half of your genes come from your mom, and the other half come from your dad.
So genes are sort of like the instructions from my mom and my dad on how my body is made, grows, and does work?
Yeah, that's a great way to think about it.
Do I have the same genes and DNA as my brothers and sisters?
Not entirely. The cool thing about your DNA is that it's what makes you unique, Zozo. Now, some genes can be passed down from a mom and dad to their child. That is why you and your mom both have curly hair, you and your dad both have brown eyes, and you and your sister have the same noses. It's all thanks to the same genes that you share. You and your brother have different colored eyes, though, and that's because you guys got different genes that determine your eye color.
Oh, I see. The doctor told me that some diseases are passed down through genes also. How does that work?
When a disease or condition is passed down through genes, it is called hereditary. Sometimes, if parents, grandparents, or even great-grandparents had a certain disease or condition, it could possibly be passed down to their children or their children's children.
So if my mom gets a tummy ache, will I also get a tummy ache?
No, not necessarily. Only some conditions are hereditary, and still, they aren't always passed down. It's not always predictable, but there are things that can be done to prevent diseases if the doctor notices that there is a history of the disease in your family.
I see now. So genes are passed down from mom and dad and grandma and grandpa, right?
Exactly.
And differences between our genes is what makes me look like me and you look like you, right?
Yep, good job, Zozo.
Thanks, Afi.